Good day, everyone. My name is Amanda, and I'm here to explain a workflow I built. So, this is an AI-powered lead qualification system. What it does is when a prospect submits a form, the AI analyzes the response and generates personalized insights. The result is then uploaded into a Google spreadsheet, and a personalized email is then sent to the prospect. So, here is the Google Sheet that we are working with. These are the fields we have. So let's go ahead and execute workflow. So I'll quickly fill in these details. Then we'll go ahead and submit. Good. So our form has been submitted. Okay, so our workflow has been executed. Now we'll check for the results. This is the Google Sheet. As you can see, this is the one I just filled now. And this is the email that was sent to me. And this is the workflow that generated all of that. Thank you.